Welcome. This lesson will guide you through the essential skills of maintaining spark plugs, a key component for any petrol engine. Proper maintenance improves fuel economy and engine performance, crucial skills for any auto technician in Nigeria. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to perform these 3 critical maintenance tasks on spark plugs. A spark plug is a vital device in a petrol engine. It delivers a high-voltage electric spark to ignite the compressed fuel and air mixture, which creates the combustion that powers the engine. A spark plug has several key parts. The terminal connects to the ignition system. The ceramic insulator prevents electricity from escaping, and the metal shell screws into the engine. The spark jumps across the gap between the center and ground electrodes. Inspecting a used spark plug can tell you a lot about the engine's health. Let's look at some common conditions. A healthy plug looks light tan. A sooty black plug means the fuel mix is too rich. A wet, oily plug indicates an oil leak into the cylinder. And a white, blistered plug is a sign of overheating, a serious problem. Before you start, gather the right tools. You'll need a spark plug socket, a ratchet, a wire-type feeler gauge for measuring, a gapper tool for adjusting, and a torque wrench for correct tightening. Now for our first objective, cleaning the spark plug. First, ensure the engine is cool and the battery is disconnected for safety. Remove the plug, then gently clean the metal parts with a brass brush, being careful not to damage the white ceramic insulator. Clear away any debris before moving on. Next, let's check the spark plug gap. This precise distance is critical for a good spark. Use a wire-type feeler gauge to measure it. The correct wire size should slide through with a slight drag. If the gap is incorrect, use a gapper tool to gently bend the outer brown electrode. Never pry against the fragile center electrode. Adjust it slightly, then remeasure until it is perfect according to the vehicle manufacturer's specification. Finally, let's install the plug. It's crucial to follow the engine's firing order, ensuring each wire goes to the correct cylinder. Start by threading the plug by hand to protect the threads. Then use a torque wrench for final tightening. Reconnect the wire or coil firmly, and you're done. Let's review. We learned what a spark plug does, how to diagnose engine health by inspecting it, and the correct procedures for cleaning, gapping, and installing plugs. Remember to always follow the vehicle's specifications. Well done! Mastering these skills will make you a more competent technician and help keep vehicles running efficiently on Nigerian roads.